everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, Wygo stands for when you get old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you're curious what we get in the February 2022 American Influencer Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, yes, so it's that time of the month. Beauty box subscription time. I actually got this a few days ago, but have only found time to record it this weekend. If anyone's not aware what American Influencer Beauty Bundle is, it is now a monthly beauty subscription, which costs, I want to say, $34 a month. I forget, something will be on screen. It used to be a bi-monthly, but about 3 months ago, it switched to monthly. And what's cool about this beauty subscription is you get 6+ products, which is curated from an influencer or brand. So we've had ColourPop, we've had MAC, we've had Pharmacy, Herbivore. It's really exciting, and this is one of my favorite boxes. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see who the influencer is. All right, let's get the box open. Yes, padding. The box does come with a card where they show who the influencer is, and on the back are prices and descriptions of the products. This month, the influencer is Jason Wu Beauty, and I'm going to admit, I've never heard of this person or brand before, but I am super excited to see what came in this box because the little sneak peek looks like it's makeup and not skincare. Okay, what is the first item? We have something here called the Bush. I almost said the blush. Wait, what is the Bush? Oh, brow shaper soap. Oh, I have natural eyebrows. I use a spoolie to brush them up and I'm done. So I won't use this product, but let me read what the card says and see what it retails for. So this here is a brow product, which is vegan, and it is a brow soap, which will tame unruly and bushy brows. It retails for $14. Okay, so that is an affordable price point. What else came in this box? What is this? All right, so this is called Magic Matte Oil. What is a Magic Matte Oil? Okay, so it says that this transforms your skin from oily to matte in seconds. I have the Sahara Desert for skin, super dry, mature skin. So this will just be set aside. However, if anyone's curious, this retails for $16. Okay, what else came in this box? All right, so we got this product here. This is a lip liner in the shade Stay in Line. And it looks to be, I'm hoping, like a cream nude that you can put on your lower waterline. Wait, is it a lip or did I say eye? Oh, if it's lip, yes. Okay, ooh. Yes, so this is a nude shade. I wear mainly soft light pink, peach, and nudes. So this will be perfect for me. Sadly, I don't wear lip liners very often, but maybe I will start now that I have a really good color. And bummer, because this is a shade I would love to put in my lower waterline. Not an eyeliner, lip liner. All right, what does this retail for? $10. All right, next item. We have similar packaging. This here is also a lip liner. This is in the shade Royal. And it turns out the first lip liner I swatched is in a shade called Parisian Chic. The actual lip liner line is what's referred to as Stay in Line. All right, and so here is what the other shade looks like. Actually, both of those would go perfect with 98% of the lip shades I wear. Okay, what else came in this box? What is this? This is called Hot Fluff, which is what Okay. Oh, it's one of those products where you can put it on your eyes, lips, or cheeks. I like how sleek the packaging is. This has like a, I don't want to say texture, but it feels softer or fuzzy. It's not fuzzy, but it's plastic, but doesn't feel like typical plastic. Okay. I was not expecting it to be in the shape of a lipstick. Size-wise, when I first saw it, I thought it was a lipstick. But every other product that's one of those cheeks, eyes, lips is just a flat top. Interesting. Do I want to swatch this? You know what? I'm feeling adventurous today. That is the shade. Let's see how it blends out. Because I'll probably more than likely wear this more as a blush than a lip product. But yes. However, if it blends out that much for the cheeks, maybe it won't be too dark on the lips. All right, on to the lips we go. Alrighty. I think it mixed in with the peachy shades and made something more wearable for me. Alright, what does this retail for? So the Hot Fluff Jelly Roll retails for $12. Alright, next item. Oh, it looks like we have another jelly roll, but this is in a different shade. This looks like it's going to be more peachy, bronzy, orangey earth tone. Yes, okay. Let's do a swatch here as well. Definitely more terracotta. And we'll blend this out. Sorry to give you the finger. Yes, okay. Most definitely, especially in this shade, I will be using this more for the blush product. All right, what else came in this box? Yes, I see an eyeshadow palette, which is right up my alley, and a nude color story. How could I have never heard of this person? Careful how you answer that. Is this new on the scene, or am I just old and out of it? Ooh, look at that color story. 9 pans. This is giving me if Huda Beauty and NYX had a baby, the palette would look like this. All right, I'm going to do a few swatches. These seem to be all matte shades. Nothing wrong with that, but I'm not seeing any shimmers. All right, the swatches are not my best effort. I only did 4. There's one there that's so light, you won't probably be able to see it. I'm going to have fun creating an eye look with this palette. What does that retail for? It retails for $15. All right, that's very reasonably priced. All right, and then the last item, what is this? It barely weighs anything. This is Saved by the Patch Pimple Patch. Oh, okay. I've gotten some of these. I'm not going to take the tape off. I have several going, but these are the type, I'm assuming, yes, little round circles, which you have a friend come to visit and you plop it on, helps it kind of calm down quicker and blurs the redness. I'm wondering, did Jason Wu suffer from acne? Because you had that oil to matte and now these patches. And knock on wood, luckily, I haven't had acne in quite some time. But these are good just in case. Just in case. What do these retail for? The patches retail for $12. All right, is there anything else? Nope, that's it. All right, let's recap everything we got in this month's box. We got some acne patches, a brow shaping soap, the Magic Matte Oil, 2 multi-use lipsticks that can also be worn as blush or eyeshadow, 2 lip liners, one in a nude and the other in a soft pink, and a 15-pan all matte nude eyeshadow palette. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are probably not the same with everyone else's. I'm not thrilled with this box. I don't hate it, but it's not my favorite. The value I'm predicting will be pretty low as well. These are very affordable products, but I don't know. These are great colors, don't get me wrong. I'm just a lazy girl. I don't use lip liner very often. I don't do my brows. I don't suffer from oily skin, so I would never reach for this or even need to use it. Acne patches I already have. I don't use them very frequently, thank God. Am I mad at it? No, but considering there's so many other products I won't be using, it's kind of like, there's another one. These are interesting. The lip blush, multi-use. I honestly don't know how frequently I'm going to reach for them. Maybe I will play with them more. It's interesting that they are in the shape of a lip product, which would make me think of them more as lip than cheek, whereas other types where it's flat topped, I think of them more as blush that you can also put on your lips. But yes. So, I mean, this box isn't horrible, but it isn't my wow, like, oh my goodness, love the box. I don't hate the box. I just am not, like, gushing over the box. It's kind of meh. But I'm going to list the MSRP total. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you get the subscription? Have you been eyeing it? Would you be excited to get this box? Or is it more, that's affordable. If I cared about those products, I would just run down to wherever they're sold and pick them up. The palette I will enjoy. I wish there was a couple of shimmers, but I get it. Some people love an all matte palette. So yeah, I'm not hating the box, but I've had better boxes. I will just leave it at that. All right, leave me your comments and let me know your thoughts on the box. Do you agree with me or do you love Jason Wu? I'm also very curious where these products are sold. It seems like something that Target would have, maybe Walmart. Do they sell them at Ulta? I've just never seen them before. However, there has been a pandemic for the past 2 years, and I rarely leave my house. So maybe that's what's going on. Also, I'm just not hip to anything. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, there's a little guy somewhere down there. It looks like this. If you could click it, it really does help my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.